The kitchen is all about community. It's about cooking and nutrition, giving kids skills for now, for the future, creating good things for the community and good things for life. Hello, I am Tavares Phillips. I'm joined by my friend Parker. We're in the GE Appliances kitchen, and today we are going to be making some great recipes for quite possibly the most important food day of the year, Thanksgiving. Who's ready to get started?
Me.
Okay, me too. Citrus herb roasted chicken. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
It's very simple. It requires a couple of ingredients, but really the best recipes just allow good ingredients to shine. So I'll show you today so that everybody at home, whoa, I'm not even looking right now. Can you believe that?
Can I try?
Yes, absolutely. Oh. Wow. Okay. Pretty good. It's okay. Do we have herbs? Do we have citrus? Do we have chicken? We have everything we need for citrus herb roasted chicken. We're gonna start with our citrus. So you have lemon and you have orange, right? Orange is a little bit sweeter, lemon is a little bit tangier. We put them both in together because it just kind of elevates the flavors of our chicken. That knife is a little unfair, I promise you. It's a safety knife, so Parker.
Sweating. Okay. All right.
What we're gonna do with the citrus is I'm gonna put this next to you and you're gonna help me shingle these onto the pan. 1 lemon, 1 orange, and then 1 lemon.
Okay,
and then
so it's a pattern.
It's a pattern, and now it's gonna go orange, lemon, orange.
Okay.
We're essentially making a little mattress for the chicken. Now, we're gonna take some sprigs of our thyme. There's tons of oils in this. As this heats up and as the chicken starts to release its juices, this gets in the air and infuses all that flavor into the chicken. So all we do is we lay a couple of these sprigs onto our little citrus bed. The first thing we have to do with our chicken is we kind of have to pat it dry, because that will mean that we get crispy chicken skin. If the skin is wet on your chicken, you're not gonna get crispy skin. And you're gonna put salt and pepper over the entire thing, okay?
Like even the leg? Okay.
Even the legs, I'll pick it up. We're doing this tag team. Hello, Parker. Thanks for the salt. That's fresh cracked pepper, which tastes a little bit spicier than a pepper that's already been ground. Parker, I'm looking great. And we're gonna put the remaining citrus inside of them. You just put the rest of your herbs into that bird. This is gonna be delicious. So now, let's wash our hands and then put this bird into the oven. So this is really easy to use. For the first button, in the mode, you're gonna turn it to roast. And now for the temperature, you're gonna turn it to 450. So this is a very, very high temperature, so the outside of the bird is gonna get nice and crispy while the inside stays tender. And now we're gonna put it on our timer. That's the last goal. And the time is about 60 minutes. Parker, what do you think?
So golden brown.
Right? Okay, so we have to let this rest for 10 minutes before we carve it. And that's gonna be difficult because it smells delicious.
Yeah.
What do you think? Did we nail it?
Yeah.
The hardest part is waiting, the 10 minutes for it to rest before we carve it. Okay, we're gonna do a 10-minute dance video for you now. We're not resting, the chicken's resting. We're not resting, the chicken's resting. Parker, are you resting? No! Parker's not resting, I'm not resting. The chicken is resting. The chicken is resting. You have a lot more energy than me. So we rested the bird for 10 minutes and now we can carve it. You just come in along the breastbone and then you lift it out after you've cut it. Oh, look at this, so pretty. Yeah, right, doesn't it look gorgeous? And then we just lay that.
That looks so appetizing.
Doesn't it look so good? Yeah. What do you think? So good, right? Moist, delicious, crazy easy, and good for us.
Right there.